So what does a VIN History Report actually tell you? A VIN History Report can reveal important information about a vehicle's past. It may show accident history, previous owners, title problems, maintenance records, and more. Some vehicles may have been involved in serious accidents, even if they look perfectly fine today. A VIN History Report can also show how many people owned the vehicle before you. And in some cases, it may even show whether the vehicle was used commercially, has a salvage title, or was a rental vehicle. Some reports may also include maintenance and service history, helping you to understand how well the vehicle was taken care of. And don't forget recalls. A VIN History Report may help you discover important safety recalls that still need to be repaired. All of this information helps you make a smarter decision before buying a used vehicle. Because when you understand a vehicle's history, you reduce the chances of expensive surprises later. Thank you for listening.